Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to this Bitcoin update for Thursday, 17th of March. And what's up with Bitcoin and how are we progressing very further during the days? And we've already reached nearly yesterday $41,500, which is kind of good. This was expected, some sort of unexpected move that Bitcoin is going to have because once again you're finding support here, you're finding support there, another support here, another support there. Now this one also looks like nearly a double bottom right here, but I want to talk about the 55 EMA and two things that are actually important in the video. Now before that, if you want to take the trading course, do take the trading course. And for those who do not know where the link is, you're going to find the link like this. Okay, this is where you click that in the description, okay, to take you to that website. Anyway, diving back into the charts, it's I want to turn on the 55 EMA, and we do know that the 55 EMA has been trouble for Bitcoin in the past as well. So here we are with the 55. You went up, crossed the 55, came for the back test. You always fail, okay? You try to cross it here, you fail, and right now it seems like you almost went up to the 55 as well. Now there is some sort of a symmetrical triangle trying to build up for Bitcoin. It seems as if there is a price compression here coming out for Bitcoin. Do you see that? So the prices are moving like this, coming down like that, coming down like this one, coming down, and there's a decision coming in by 28th of March, and from here we're gonna see where we push towards. Okay, the prices are gonna be compressed so much that it might even pop to the downside. Who knows? Okay, or you just might start to pop towards the upside as well. Anything is possible right here, but if you pop to the downside, it will be a quick wick, potentially down here to the 37,455, and then push to the upside as well. And now this is the first thing, the EMA and a potential symmetrical triangle here. But if you actually go on to the 4-hour time frame, there's a different story here. I want to show you that story. It seems as if you're putting in a double bottom. Do you see that? On the 4-hour time frame, you have first bottom, second bottom. You're going to put in a nice big huge W right there if you go up like this impulsively. Now what I'm gonna say is that you're gonna run into a big resistance here, even if you were to go upside, which is gonna be nearly 42,651. So once you do that, you push from the double bottom area section right here, and you push to the upside. I'm gonna tell you this one very quickly. I don't know if I took the correct measurements. Yeah, it's a little bit down there. All right, so when you break out of this area, you're looking to actually go to 48,743. Now that would also equally means that you're going to be breaking this resistance level for the very first time. So what you want to see is a nice good breakout, come down here and consolidate potentially, and then move to the upside. Now there is going to be another resistance here at the 44,000, 45,000 level. So it's not an easy task right now. It's really not an easy task. It's kind of like a battle going on and some sort of like that. But one thing is very clear. It seems like Bitcoin is having a sell-off on the 4-hour time frame. I am expecting the market to actually start to reverse a little bit to the downside now. And maybe this is the end of that rally, impulsive rally. In my opinion, it's going to actually start to go to the downside because Thursdays are not good. We do know that when weekends are approaching, normally, historically, you don't get good results, okay? And what you print here, the candlestick reading simple tells you that there's a reversal. So when you see the spinning top, it's actually going to start to move down here. That's the reversal. Of course, if you start to break out again and you go to the 41,700, in my opinion, then you're going to continue because these candlesticks get invalidated and abandoned, and the direction is going to continue to the upside. So now you know about the candlestick reading here. So this one tells me that reversal is due, and it does make sense because of how the weekend is going to be playing out. So all you did is you had a very big range box created here. You went up, came down for the retest quickly, went out, bounced to the upside, and ever since you've been going up. Yep. So from here, guys, what is gonna be? Are you making a double bottom, right? Or is it just a some sort of a symmetrical triangle like this? Or you're breaking out? You can even say it's breaking out, actually breaking out and retesting things just to go to the upside. It does seem like a breakout on the 4 hour time frame, isn't it? So there are so many possibilities right now. It's too much possibility that like the charts are very, very mixed up. There's a lot of different opinions on the, what do you call this? The 4 hour time frame, the daily, the chart pattern. If you're diving into the 4 hour time frame, it's like you have a double bottom right here. If you're diving into the daily, it's like you have a symmetrical triangle trying to play out. The daily 55 EMA also is restricting the prices to go to further to the upside as well. Now the upside of it is that you're also on the 4 hour time frame breaking a big resistance before, and it's like you're back testing to actually continue. And anything can happen in this space at this point of time. It's not necessary that you even dump during the weekends. I mean, normally you do dump during the weekends, but it's not a must. It's not like compulsory that you have to dump during the weekends. You can even start to continue during the weekends and continue in Monday, Tuesday. Hey, there's a flip side of it. You can even go and pump in the weekends, and you can start to even dump in the during the Mondays. I've seen this before that sometimes we even do dump during the Monday, Tuesdays, Wednesdays. Sometimes it happens, but it's rare. It's rare. So people have this habit, and they have this thought that weekends are very bad, and weekend can actually prove bad for crypto as well. I just want to check out USD dominance. Yeah, USDT dominance here, and um, it seems like, yeah, it seems like there's a little bit of evidence that Bitcoin is gonna actually gonna go to the downside, because uh, we do know that when USDT try to go up, Bitcoin actually goes down. So you can see that Tether has already come to a particular support level. So from here, I'm expecting it to go up and then Bitcoin to go down from there. So we're kind of getting a little bit of an idea from USDT right now. So what is it gonna be? What is it gonna be? I think it's gonna go down. I think it has to go down from here, because one thing is very clear. Bitcoin, just as I said, the daily 20 EMA is gonna not 20, actually 55 EMA is already acting as resistance. Do you see that the daily has more proof? And you already have a green candle. You're making a bearish, some sort of a bearish candlesticks here. You're finding resistance there. Tether is finding support to go to the upside. So I don't know. The fingers are pointing retracement. That's all. You've been overextended a little bit, and some of the coins need to rest. They've been actually pumping for some few days. I'm expecting them to rest for the next 2 3 days, and then we resume from Monday as usual. Okay, so weekends are not ideal for trading, and that's it for the video. If you guys want to still check out the course, again, the link in the description here. And if you want to see the introduction of what you're going to learn, you have the YouTube link of intro to trading course. You can see what you're about to learn, and I'm going to see you with the next one. Allah Hafiz.